Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'd like to take you through the Bitcoin charts and see if it's wise to sell your Bitcoins right now. And I'll show you a little bit of what happened in history. Not saying that that will happen right now, but it is a possibility and something that happened before. So let's get straight into the content. Yeah, what we saw right here was a pretty red candle for Bitcoin yesterday, and which is yeah a bearish signal. I have to say that I should have seen this coming because momentum on the lower time frames 4-hour chart was showing a higher high in the price, but a lower high in the RSI. So yeah, that's basically a mistake of mine that yeah cost me a lot of money. Of course, yeah. The trades, although we closed below the green box, I still have my trades on, and basically the reason why that is what I will show you in a second right now. So, should you sell your Bitcoins right now? I don't believe so. Because basically we're still forming higher lows in the Bitcoin chart. Here, a higher low here. You can possibly see this as a higher low as well, and yeah, we're still waiting for the bounce right now. You can see that we're almost exactly bounced off the triangle that we talked about in our channel a couple of times earlier, which broke out, which we traded. Of course, we made a lot of money on that, but we basically haven't had a retest of this level here. So what we're seeing right now is that we're seeing a bounce of that level right now. Well, not entirely, but we can see a bounce from the level, showing us former resistance right here is providing us support right now. So that's quite interesting. So as I showed you the higher low structure that we have here and here, and basically I'm not going to be bearish unless we close a candle lower than this previous low right here. So what happened in history? Yeah, you can see that this green box right here showed us resistance, and resistance as well. Then we saw a breakout to the upside, and then now it failed to provide us with resistance. And that's something I've seen before, and I'm going to show you where that was, because that was in July of 21. August, July, here we go. So basically what we see right here is the same thing that we had seen in this. We've been rejected by this green box over here. That was in June and July. Then we saw a breakout of the pattern, but failed to hold as support. And then we got a bounce off of this green line, and this green line is very significant also, but we shot up after that. So that's basically the same pattern that we can see in the current market. So rejection, it looked like a breakout, which was actually a fake out, but then it was immediately followed by a fake out to the downside, and that's basically the same thing that's happening here. Rejection right here, rejection right here. And we see a fake out to the upside. We can see a fake out to the bottom, and then possibly go up there. So that's quite interesting to see. I'll remove the drawings. I'll show you in the daily time frame why this green line is so significant, because yeah, our trade also failed to hold this or got rejected off this line, because Yeah, you can see basically this line started in 2019 of 13th of April in 2019. You can see this line acted as support right here. It acted as support right here, and then it acted as resistance right here. And if we move the chart, you can see that it acted as support right here, and it acted as resistance right here. It acted as resistance right here. Let me see, I cannot draw it back, but here you can see it acted as resistance as well, and that's where our trade was in 20% profit, but it got rejected from that multi-year trend line as well. So basically, long story short is that I would not consider selling my trade and my positions, or all my Bitcoins, of course, basically because we've seen something like these highs with a fake out to the upside and a fake out to the downside and then going up again. So that's a scenario I'm looking at. And also I'm not concerned really, because this triangle that we were forming here, where we had a breakout, didn't actually see a retest, and we're seeing a retest right now. So that's what I'm looking at right now. I'm not too bearish right now, but I will be bearish if we break the 40K resistance, which was a higher low, which is here. If we break this, then I'll be more bearish, and I'll be looking to enter a position somewhere around here, because this is a very significant level on the weekly. Let me show you how this is a very significant level on the weekly. As you can see right here, we've been bouncing between this range for a long time already, and yeah, so this is what I'm looking for right now. So should you sell your Bitcoin right now? I'm not doing it. If you do so yourself, you should make up your own mind, of course, but that's what I'm looking at. If you have any questions, please yeah, ask them in the channel, and I'll try to answer all of them as honestly as I can. And for now, I hope you're having a nice day, and thanks so much for your attention. Please smash up the like button and hit the subscribe if you haven't yet, and then we'll talk to you later. Thanks, bye.